What's up, everybody? Today we got a couple of more pops to take a look at. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First up today, we have from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. We have the child, Baby Yoda or Grogu, whatever you want to call it. This is pop number 368. Here we have the back of the package, and you can see some of the other ones that are in the Mandalorian set, as well as some art. And let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the child comes on its own stand, which is nice. A stand that has the Star Wars logo on it. It is a bobblehead, and you can see that it's just Grogu with his big black eyes, and he's holding his arm out to you, wearing his brown robes. And what's nice about this one is it looks a lot like the character that it's representing, unlike most Funko Pops where they have like the square head and whatnot. And finally, we have a bit of a cool bobblehead. It's Darth Vader with lights and sound. And this is number 343. There's a little write-up about Darth Vader on the back. You can pause here to read it. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. Take a look at those lights and sounds. Now, like Grogu, Vader is mounted on a base. And you can see this base is somewhat modeled after some of the flooring in Star Wars. It also has a Star Wars logo on the front. And the way you activate his lights and sound is you push down on his bobblehead. Here you can see you get like lightsaber sounds. So we're going to turn off the lights real quick and see what lights up. You can see that the floor and his lightsaber, as well as his belt and that piece on his chest, light up. And that is the light up Darth Vader. So that's it for today. Just a couple more pops to add to my collection. Nothing major today. I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to play with your kids. And as always, I'll see you next time.